Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make some simple paracord knife handles. Okay, so these are some of the handles that I made with my kids this past weekend. Okay, looks like that, you know, see that? Okay, knife handle. It gives you a pretty good and firm grip. Okay, doesn't slip or anything like that. Plus you get the paracord, you know, there's like 7 strands inside. So, you know, for emergency purposes, you can take this cord out, you know, and do things with it, you know. So some of these are like that. You can do it any color you want, you know, for the paracords, you know. So before these, it looks like this. The handle looks like this. Looks like that. It doesn't give you a good grip, so you know that's why I'm going to do this one today. Do something like that. And next episode, I will show you guys how to do these Hmong wood handles into a paracord knife handles. Okay, see that? Okay, so this is on the next episode. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so you put these aside, and let me put these aside, and let's work on this one. Okay, so for paracords, I usually measure it by, like, for simple ones, like really small ones like this, I usually measure like this, like 1 round, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and about 7. Okay, yeah, that's how I usually measure it. Okay, and then what you need to do is do this. Okay, I'm gonna take that out. What you need to do is fold your paracord like this. Okay, and what you need to do is leave this here about maybe 4 to 5 inches down here. It gives you a good pull after you wrap this. Okay, and then on top here, what you need to do is give it about maybe about half an inch or inch loop. Okay, because later on we're gonna thread this. Okay, so what you need to do is hold right here. Okay, and turn this way. Okay, once you start, you're gonna form a loop here, and then you're gonna keep wrapping your handle going this way. Okay, so you keep wrapping like this, and make sure you pull tight. Okay, pull tight, so that way your handle is nice and firm when you're done. Okay, if you don't pull tight, it's not gonna be a nice and firm grip. Okay, so there you go. See, starts out like that. Make sure everything's still in place and doesn't overlap. Okay, so leave that strand out, keep going like this. Okay, once you go around here, pull. Once you go around here, you pull. Okay, pull hard, that way your handle is firm. Okay, so keep wrapping. Okay, and then, yeah, however you feel comfortable, just turn it over and do the same thing. Okay, see how it looks. Okay, okay. Okay, now let's look. See that? Your knife handle is almost complete. Okay. All right. So keep going until you fill it up all the way to here. Okay. Go all the way to your last round where it gets on top of there. Okay. And mostly it covers top right here. And then once you get to here, right here, make sure when you come around there, you thread it right in here like that. Okay, and just leave it like that, and then you pull down here. Okay, like that. And what you need to do is you just pull down here like this. Keep pull this back. Make sure it goes in the loop here, and just pull it down. Okay. Once you pull that down tight and you pull the other strand inside a little bit, what you need to do is you cut it about that, like that, okay? This much. Leave about maybe 1/4 of an inch or so here, or pretty close to the end here, okay? Just cut it pretty close, like that, okay? Once you cut it like that, you can use the lighter and burn the end off. Okay. Once you burn that, you just use your lighter to press and seal the end. Okay. Press and seal the end like that. Okay. Do the same thing to the other end. Okay. So cut it close to here, okay? I'm gonna cut it like this. See, same thing. Just cut it and seal it off with your burn the end with your lighter, okay? And use the lighter to seal the end, okay? Seal the end like this. See that? Okay, so now you got your knife handle nice and firm. Okay? See that? And thank you for coming by and watching, okay? Please subscribe. That's how it looks like.